Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, knowing you need to apologize, but unsure what to write?
We've all been there.
Maybe it was a misunderstanding that escalated, words you instantly regretted, or simply a silence that's gone on too long.
Whatever the reason, the message you need to send might just be the most important text you'll ever type.
But here's the good news. Today, you're about to discover how one simple apology text can rebuild a relationship faster than you ever imagined. Let's start by facing a hard truth: nobody is perfect.
We all mess up. We all say things we don't mean, and sometimes our pride keeps us stuck.
But the difference between relationships that last and those that crumble often comes down to one skill: the ability to say, "I'm sorry," sincerely and at the right time. So, why is sending that apology text so difficult?
First, let's talk about pride. Pride whispers that apologizing makes you weak. But let's flip that myth right now. Apologizing actually shows immense strength.
It means you value the relationship more than your ego.
Second, there's fear.
Fear of rejection, fear that they might not respond, fear that your words might not be enough. But think about this: wouldn't you rather try and risk rejection than live with the regret of silence? Let me share something important with you. According to relationship psychology, effective apologies include 3 key elements: acknowledging the mistake, expressing genuine remorse, and offering a clear intention to make things right.
Miss any of these, and your apology might feel empty or incomplete.
Here's exactly how you can craft that powerful apology text right now. First, acknowledge clearly what you did wrong. For example, "Hey, I realized that my words last night were hurtful and unfair.
I shouldn't have said those things."
Next, express genuine remorse. Show you truly understand the pain you caused. "I feel terrible knowing I hurt you, and I deeply regret what happened." Finally, state your intention to improve and make amends. "I'd love a chance to talk this through and find a way to make things right between us."
Can we do that? Notice the clarity and sincerity. There's no defensiveness, no excuses, just honest accountability. Let's quickly cover a common pitfall you need to avoid. Never use the word "but" after "I'm sorry."
Saying something like, "I'm sorry, but you provoked me," instantly cancels out your apology.
Remember, accountability has no room for blame shifting.
Mike and Jenna had been dating for 2 years when a small misunderstanding exploded into a huge fight. They both said things they didn't mean, and suddenly they weren't speaking. Mike hesitated to apologize because of pride, while Jenna waited silently, feeling hurt.
Finally, Mike swallowed his pride and sent Jenna one clear, heartfelt text: "Jenna, I messed up. I was wrong, and I hate knowing I hurt you. You mean too much to me to let pride get in the way.
Can we talk, please?"
Within minutes, Jenna replied, "I've been waiting to hear that. Let's meet." That single text repaired what could have been irreparable damage.
See, apologies aren't magic, they're better.
They're courage, humility, and love in action.
Now, let's give you 3 ready-to-use apology texts you can copy, personalize, and send right now. "I realize I messed up, and I'm genuinely sorry for hurting you.
Your feelings matter deeply to me, and I want to fix this.
Can we talk when you're ready?
I've been thinking a lot about what happened, and I can clearly see where I went wrong.
I'm truly sorry, and I want to make it right.
Will you give me the chance to? I'm sorry for how I handled things. I see the hurt I caused, and I'm committed to doing better.
Can we please start a conversation?"
Each message is clear, sincere, and respectful of the other person's feelings and space.
Adapt these to your situation and watch as they open doors you thought were closed. So here's your challenge today: think about someone you know deserves an apology from you. Choose one of the texts provided, personalize it slightly, and hit send.
Don't wait, don't overthink, just send it. Because the courage to apologize might be the very thing that saves your relationship.
Now, tell me in the comments below, which apology text resonated most with you, and who will you send it to today? If this video helped you find the right words, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might need this gentle push. Remember, relationships aren't perfect because we never mess up, they're strong because we're brave enough to say, "I'm sorry," and mean it.
You've got this.